Google is the world's largest search engine. It has 90% of the search engine market in the West. The second largest search engine is Bing, which has less than 10%. On Google, there are paid and natural search promotion opportunities, i.e. there's the option to pay for exposure, or by appearing in the so-called natural search results, the unpaid results, you can get free promotion. Google is massive. It processes 5.6 billion searches every day. 35% of product searches start on Google. So there's a massive opportunity for businesses to get exposure to customers when they are in the process of researching and buying products. The discipline of promoting your business on search engine is known as search engine marketing. There are two related disciplines here. The first is paid search, which is the ads that appear at the top, the side and the bottom of the page. These can be referred to as PPC or pay-per-click. And there are the organic results. These are the results that aren't paid for. These appear lower down the page. Natural search are the free or unpaid search results. The ranking of these results is based on Google's algorithm. Google takes hundreds of factors, including the content of the site, the quality of incoming links, and other factors such as location to generate its list of results. So looking at the search results screen for the key phrase iPhone, we can see at the top and the side are adverts, but down here are the natural search results. This is the natural search results which Google thinks are most relevant for the key phrase iPhone. There's different types of results. We have at the top here text results, but here's some news results, and down here is results for local shopping options for iPhones, and also links to products and other related searches. There's different types of searches here. We've got shopping results, news results, and image results at the top for customers to choose between. So why should your business invest in search engine optimization? Search optimization has a massive potential for traffic for your business. Getting prominent placement for high traffic search terms can have a transformational effect on your business, with a huge amount of traffic being directed towards your site. Search engine optimization can have a high return on investment as you are not paying per click. It is a lot of work to optimize a site to appear highly ranked, but once you have done it, it'll be a gift that keeps on giving. While most of the budget spent by companies on search engine market is on paid search, 53% of traffic is organic. Organic results also have a higher level of trust than paid search and can help generate brand awareness. While some companies spend millions of pounds on search engine optimization, by getting the basics right on your site, you can generate good results by starting small on a low budget. You can, for example, create better product descriptions, better category descriptions, and make sure that your site can be accessed by search engines. Whilst it can be a slow process generating results from search engine optimization, it will have long-term benefits for your business.